All right, guys, welcome. So I have this question from jamb 1984, question 1, where we are asked to simplify bracket open 2 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 5 bracket close minus 1 over 3 of 2 over 5 all divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 over 2. Now quickly we dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we have to take note of the fact that in solving this, we convert the mixed fraction at our denominator to improper fraction. Then from there, we apply the principles of BODMAS accordingly. Now, we copy out our expression, brackets open, 2 over 3 minus 1 over 5, bracket close, minus 1 over 3 of the same thing as multiplication. So we change our of to multiplication here, and we have a 2 over 5 all divided by 3 whole number 1, 0 number minus 1 over, we convert our mixed fraction, which is a 1 whole number 1 over 2, to improper fraction. We have 2 times 1 gives us 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So we have 3 over 2. And these are equal to, from what we the fractions within our bracket, we solve that separately. So we look for the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So within our bracket, we have bracket open divided by 15. So LCM, 15 at the bottom, bracket close. Now, 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. 5 times 2, we have 10. Minus 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. 3 times 1, we have 3. All right. Minus, we have our other side of our expression that involves multiplication. So 1 times 2, we have 2. All right. Then 3 times 5, we have 15. Okay, we have 15 here. All divided by, we have 3 minus 1. And this same thing as divided by 3 over 2. Continue that solving. Within our bracket, 10 minus 3, we have 7. And we put a 15 as our denominator here, minus 2 over 15. These are divided by, we have 3 minus 1. Our division sign will convert it to multiplication. Thereby 2 goes up and 3 comes down. 2 goes up, 3 comes down. Now at our numerator, we have 7 over 15 minus 2 over 15. Make 15 our LCM. Make 15 our LCM. It's a numerator. For the fraction to our numerator, make 15 our LCM. All right. Now 15 into 15 is 1. 1 times 7, we have 7. Minus 15 into 15, 1. 1 times 2, 2. Okay. At our denominator, we have 3. 1 times 2 gives us 2. So we have 3 minus 2 over 3. We continue with our solving. We have 7 minus 2. This gives us 5. 7 minus 2 gives us 5 over 15. At our denominator, we have, all right, we'll make 3 our LCM for the fraction at our denominator. So we'll make 3 our LCM. Now, 1 into 3, because 3 is carrying an imaginary 1 at its denominator. So 1 into 3 gives us 3. 3 times 3, we have 9. Right? minus 3 into 3, we have 1. 1 times 2, we have 2. All right, continue with our solving. We have 5 over 15 divided by 7 over 3. Now what we have here can be rewritten as 5 divided by 15, 5 over 15, all right, divided by 7 over 3. We convert our division sign to multiplication, and we have 5 over 15 times 3 goes up, 7 comes down. This is because we're converting our division sign to multiplication. Now, having done this, 3 cancels itself, 1, and 3 cancels of 15. We have 5. We have 5. All right. 5 here, 1. 5 here, 1. We end up having 1 over 7 as our answer. Thank you.